Tamam, şunu
as we receive the second group of personnel from Guatemala. As the MSS, we deeply value the critical role the media plays in this fight. I want to reiterate our commitment as MSS to working very closely with the HNP and you, the media, to ensure that accurate information reaches the public. Yesterday, we welcomed the first group of Guatemalan officers along with an advanced team of officers from El Salvador. These reinforcements will significantly enhance our capacity to combat criminal gangs. Today, as we are here again to receive the second and the final group of Guatemalan officers, I extend my sincere gratitude to the government of Guatemala for their support and for demonstrating true solidarity with the Asian people. This new Guatemalan contingent includes both male and female specialist military police and El Salvador personnel who are aviation specialists who will strengthen our fight power against the gangs. Let me be clear to the Asian people, to the Asian authority, to the Asian P. 2025 will not be easy for the gangs. As we enter the decisive operation phase in support of the HNP, the gangs have only two choices. One, surrender, lay down their weapons, and face justice. Two, face us in the field. We are prepared, and we've been prepared, and we will continue to be prepared. The gangs will soon experience the full force of our determination. The MSS is growing rapidly, and we look forward to other contingents joining our family soon. And I mean soon. I extend my gratitude to all national and international stakeholders for their unwavering support in providing resources to the MSS. As we welcome more personnel from contributing countries, we plan to open additional forward operating bases beyond those already established. For countries who have committed and are yet to deploy their personnel to the MSS mission in Haiti, now is the time, and the time is now. Haiti urgently needs your support. The MSS will continue to work closely with the Haitian government, Haitian National Police Service, and Haitian people. Our cooperation has grown stronger over time, and the results speak for themselves. The MSS and the HNP teams in the anti-bonnet and quest departments have been doing commendable exceptional work. With the addition of the Guatemalan and El Salvador forces, the gangs will have nowhere to hide. We will root them out on land, on air, on water, and the cyberspace, and even root them out of their enemies. To the Asian people, I extend my deepest thanks for your support. Rest assured, the MSS, the mission of hope for Haiti, is committed to helping Haiti regain its glory. Thank you all, and may God bless you as we move ahead in this year of 2025, a year that will shape Haiti's destiny for the better. Merci. Thank you.
Hello. I will wish to take some photos. We have our colleague from Asian Police, Directorate, senior officers in front, photos, and then we leave. Ok. Pour la presse, encore une. Il vous reste 1 minute.